Starting here, I'm going to point out that we have the wall taken apart and studs had to be removed and replaced. We had to reframe the window because of rotten wood. And this is my daughter, Kai, and there's me. And she helped me rip everything apart, and so did my other daughter, Bella, and my son, Joey. As you can hear in the background, my son, Pearson, is playing with an Amazon package. Aren't you, buddy? Here I am explaining to Kai how things should go and what to do. I'm going to try to walk them through the process of doing this.